Oh, she's a hot one today. Starting a new job. This one's gonna be a big one. Gonna start over again with an additional bedroom and bathroom. Clients have been waiting a while for the approvals to go through council. Bit of a change of pace. Oh, we did that on the weekend, by the way. It was nearly 40 degrees yesterday. Crazy. Anyways, let's get cracking. Alrighty. Just had going over the job with the clients, make sure they're all happy with everything. They're happy with everything on the quote, so we're just gonna get set up and start demolition. This is it, we're removing this. As you can see, it's an add-on. That's not a slab, that's just a, I guess, like a dam wall. Removing all this brick, bringing this room out, bringing both rooms out another meter. Rightio. So yesterday we finished demolishing this back room, which obviously was a pretty dodgy add-on, as it was just originally a patio that came out the back. But today we're going to get the demolition saw and cut up all this concrete here and over there, and extend this slab out. Once we've cut up the concrete and done all the prep there, and then we'll remove all the brickwork from the left hand side of that window all the way out to this corner on the right. And that will allow us to extend the slab from the inside and pin to the inside there. And this door is going to come out, and then we're going to frame that back in as a complete wall. With the Sparky, isolate all the power, move the aerial up there as well. Got this changed over to an external power point, so looking around it sealed it. Other than that, I'm going to set up a time lapse of me marking this out and cutting it out, and it'll pretty much take up my whole day, I reckon. Anyways, enjoy the time lapse.